everybody, today I'm gonna show you how I groom and do my eyebrow makeup for thick looking brows. So are you ready? Let's start then. Start off with your bare brows. Use a spoolie to brush your eyebrow hairs. Then use scissors to trim excessively long eyebrow hairs and use a spoolie to find the eyebrow hairs that you need to trim. Just be careful not to cut it too short that it would affect your actual eyebrow thickness. Use an eyebrow razor to get rid of the fine hair under and over your brows. Be careful not to shave too much because that's a common mistake. Using an eyebrow pomade, softly outline your brows for the shape you want to achieve. I prefer to make my eyebrows straight and arched at the end, but do what's best for you. Free to use your fingers to remove your mistakes if you put too much or went a bit overboard. We are only human. Once outlined, start filling in the actual brow from the end going to the front, and be careful not to apply too much of the product. For the beginning of the brow, apply the pomade with a lighter hand than you would for the rest of your brows, as this area is usually lighter. Only use dabs of the product to slowly build it up, because pomades tend to be quite thick. Also, use a spoolie to remove some of the product and blend it out if you went in a bit too much with the product. Continue to do this as long as you require. Feel free to use your fingers to blend it out better. Don't forget to look over spots that need more product on your brows. After that, use an eyebrow gel with fibers for a more fluffier and fuller look to the brows, but this is only optional. And that's the final look. I hope you like it. I hope this helped you out a lot, and if it did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much for watching.